Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be decluttering my bathroom. So if you're interested in that, keep watching. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, let's get into it. I have only shown you guys my bathroom a couple of times. It is like teeny tiny and I don't have a ton of storage in there. I only have really one linen closet with a bunch of shelves, but that houses everything that we keep in the bathroom, and I have not really gone through it since Adam moved in last June. So all of his stuff is in there too, which, I mean, honestly, it's not a lot more than was in there with just me, but my collection has grown and it is out of control. So I just want to go through everything, declutter some stuff, figure it all out. Let's do it. I am not touching that top shelf. That is all of Adam's stuff, and if he wants me to go through it, I will. Otherwise, it's only one shelf. It's not a big deal, but I do like to start off every single declutter by taking every single thing off of the shelves, out of the drawers, wherever it is. So here I am taking everything off of the drawers, or off of the shelves rather, and then putting all of them onto the floor so that I can see everything that I have. And then I just wanted to kind of go through one by one each bin. They used to be very organized, so now I'm just going through kind of consolidating stuff, seeing what I have, even just like my razors, making sure everything's out of the bag so that I can see exactly how many I have of everything. And then this next bin is all of my face masks, which I actually decided to put into my vanity drawers instead, since I usually apply them at my vanity anyway. It made sense for them to be in there instead of in the bathroom, but I did just go through and I got rid of a ton of them. I have way too many face masks. There's no way I'm going to use all of them before they go bad. So if I haven't used it in the past 6 months, I got rid of it. Otherwise, I did keep it, or if it didn't work for my skin type or concerns, I got rid of it. And then I just have random bins of random stuff. So I got rid of all of those things as well. I have a bunch of bath stuff. So I was just putting all of that back into a bin so that it could be separated. And now I have just some extra toothbrushes for guests and stuff like that. So I wanted to put those into a separate bin as well. And this is my CVS pharmacy in a bin. I have everything, and I wanted to go through, check expiration dates on all of the medicine that we have so that we know if it's in there, it's good and we can use it. Otherwise, we should not have it. And I know it's a task to go through everything, and it's easier sometimes to just forget about it, but it's important to make sure you're not taking expired drugs. So yeah, put everything back in there as organized as I could, but we do have quite a few things, and since they're not expired, there's no point in getting rid of them because we do use most of the things in there. And then I just wanted to clean out every single bin before I put everything back in there. I think that's half the job is decluttering, but half of it is also cleaning and making sure everything is spick and span before you start putting products back in there. So this bin is all of my tanning stuff, exfoliator, and then makeup brush cleaning stuff. This bin is all of my bath stuff. So I have a really nice bath soak, some bubble bath, bath salts, all the things for taking a bath. And I also have Epsom salt in there. I love doing that when I have really sore muscles. That's what the green bag is. So that's everything in that bin. Moving right along to the next bin. This bin is going to be used for products that I have open or backup. So I have 3 cleansing balms that are open, which is embarrassing. And then I have my Billy lotion that I love and use. So I'm trying to use up products and then buy another one and then use it, etc., like normal people. So this is just products that I need to use up. And then I am putting everything back exactly how it was. I mean, not exactly how it was, but right back on the bins. I think that these bins work perfectly. I think I got them at Target maybe. I will link some bins that I have that I can find online for you that are similar. And I desperately need to replace this paper. I think I'm going to get some adhesive contact paper because that was what was on there before. And I just think it will stay better. So these are all of the bins. And I kind of moved these around just to see what works so that I could put my microfiber washcloths on one of the shelves. And I actually moved it again after this.
But this is the overview. So the top shelf has just tampons, tooth stuff, microfiber cloths. The next one has my bath stuff, and then also all of my tanning and makeup brush cleaning stuff in those 2 bins. And then the bottom bin has those extra products and a couple of open products, as well as all of our medicine.
Alrighty guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed decluttering my bathroom with me. Let me know what declutters you want to see next. I'm planning on still continuing to take you along on all of the decluttering that I'm doing in my house. If you didn't watch my New Year's resolutions video, then you might not know that I am on a mission to clean out, declutter, and organize every single room in my house this year. So the first room was the room I'm sitting in right now, which I am finally done decluttering. I just need to make a couple of decisions on what I want to do. I cleaned out a dresser and now it's empty. I'm trying to figure out if I want to move it into my office, whatever, reorganizing things. And then I shared my closet clean out. I shared doing this entire PAX closet system. I will link those videos up here as well as down below, and my whole decluttering series. I did a few parts of my makeup and beauty product declutters, so there is tons of decluttering content on my channel right now, and it is just going to continue. So let me know what I should declutter next. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.